After fire, humans did not just survive the night. They changed the way they ate. Cooking may be one of the biggest reasons humans became so different from other animals. This episode continues the same story, how a small human advantage became a turning point. The important part is not one object or one moment, but how many small changes slowly connected. Before cooking, food was harder work. Raw meat was tougher. Many plants were harder to digest. Getting enough energy took time, strength, and patience. This detail matters because food was never just food. For early humans, food meant energy, safety, time, and the ability to keep moving through a difficult world. Fire softened food. It killed some dangerous germs. It made meat easier to chew and plants easier to digest. The same meal could give more useful energy. This detail matters because food was never just food. For early humans, food meant energy, safety, time, and the ability to keep moving through a difficult world. That extra energy mattered because brains are expensive. A bigger brain needs a steady supply of fuel every day. A brain is powerful, but it is also costly. Any change that helped humans get steady energy could affect memory, planning, cooperation, and survival. Over many generations, cooked food may have helped human bodies change. Jaws could become smaller. Guts could become less heavy. More energy could support thinking, planning, and social life. Evolution does not change everything at once. It works through small pressures repeated for many generations, until ordinary daily habits slowly shape the body. Cooking was also social. A fire turned food into a shared event. People waited, watched, divided food, and spent more time together. The campfire also changed behavior. People did not just stand near warmth, they gathered, watched each other, shared attention, and became a stronger group. Every meal carried knowledge. Which plants were safe? Which meat spoiled? Which food needed heat? These lessons could be taught and remembered. Knowledge was one of the first human superpowers. A warning, a story, or a lesson could protect someone who had never faced that danger before. Without cooking, humans might still be clever. But our bodies, brains, and daily lives may have followed a very different path. Much later, these simple beginnings led toward bigger changes. Tools, shelters, settlements, and technology all grew from earlier survival habits. Cooking was not a small detail. It was a turning point. Fire changed food, and food helped change humans. That is why this story matters. Fire was not only about heat, it was about changing what humans could do next.